Welcome to the Virginia Beach blizzard. How beautiful it is. It's actually snowing for once in its wonderful life, and it's still snowing. It's been snowing for quite a while now, I guess. I believe since sometime around 3 this morning. Yeah. Oh, that's wet. See? Cars are white. It's all very white. Very, very white. Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. Okay, see? Very, very white. So this is what snow looks like. And there's a bird flying. Go figure, it must be cold. Okay. So, and how beautiful and pretty it is. And, beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. Oops. So, it is still snowing, and it is cold. Snow is very, very cold and very slick. I am sinking in said snow. Trash cans. Lots of snow. That's how deep it is. It's pretty nice. Well, it's cold, but it's nice. And oh, there's somewhere in there. Not really sure where. Oh, they're not up there. I don't know where they went. My parents have disappeared, so I cannot show you them and their snow day, but I can show you the beautiful backyard. And look how beautiful it is. Okay. So, I think if I don't fall first and die or something, I shall go create a little snow person of beautiful magnitude and prettiness. So, this is the blizzard of Virginia Beach, which to us is a blizzard because everything's canceled.